Hey viewers, in this video, I will guide you how to fix network protocol error in Minecraft TLauncher. This web can prevent you from connecting to servers, but don't worry, I will give you a step-by-step guide to fix it. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Make sure Java is up to date. Go to the official Java website and install the latest version on Windows. Uninstall old version first to avoid conflicts. Check server version compatibility. Your Minecraft version must match the server's version. For example, if the server is on 1.20.1, select the exact version in the TLauncher menu before launching. Now, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus. These may block TLauncher's network ports. If disabling them fixes the error, whitelist TLauncher in your firewall antivirus settings. Try a VPN or change your DNS. Your ISP might block on certain ports. Use a VPN or switch your DNS to Google 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Run the launcher with administrator lights. Right-click TLauncher and select Run as administrator to fix permission-related issues. Once done, relaunch TLauncher and connect to your server. If the issue persists, try reinstalling TLauncher. This often clears up any lingering efforts. Thank you so much for watching.